Okay, wow. God, that's embarrassing. Look at that scale. Yes, if your dishes are dirty, if your dishwasher is getting white and chalky, and that's embarrassing to you and your family, give us a call at Angel Water. We're happy to walk you through what you can do. Basically, it's a pretty simple thing. Rock is actually attached to the water droplet in your house. 85% of Americans are dealing with hard water. Hard water means we have rock attached to the water droplet. So what ends up happening is that water crosses over the glass and it etches or coats the glassware, making it cloudy like you see here. If that's a concern for you, or if you're dealing with white film and your dishwasher breaking down, your water heater breaking down, rock is the #1 component or culprit of why that's happening. You have shower stalls that are getting white and crusty. That's the rock. Give us a call. You can reach us at angelwater.com or call us at 847-382-7800. Have a great day.